心のたどり着く先は世界で一番幸せだった Not to ruin the mood, but I think we're doomed. We're out of the